Con Basiunas gets his fourth start of the season, and then look out for Keziah Sterling up top.
Get loud. Come on, you Jacks.
Third meeting of the regular season between these sides as we are underway from American Legion Memorial Stadium in Charlotte, North Carolina. Tormenta's last year's defending champs here in USL League One, taking down the Chattanooga Red Wolves by a score of 2-1. Keziah Sterling with the goal. Now, this one's going to be stopped by Pack and then cleared away by Spielman. Murphy. Mason. Back post, headed down, and that one somehow sneaks through for an equalizer. What a moment there for Tormenta, getting on the scoreboard here in the 62nd minute. Nice ball over here by Mason. Corey just on that back post, able to elevate up and over Flanagan for the goal. Corey just from McCauley, keep it away from any more danger. Chance here for Charlotte, and smothered on the near post by Hara. Coutinho able to win the ball back there from Alvarez. And there is the final whistle, and for the defending champs, their season comes to a close.